Select the parts of the photo that you want to place in front of the text. I use the Object Selection tool to do this. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the selected area in a new layer. Select the Horizontal Type tool and type your text. If you want, you can use dynamic text to align the text. You can adjust the spacing between the words and the lines. Press Ctrl+T to resize and move the text. Place the text layer below the layer with your subject. Lower the fill of the text layer to 0%. Click on the FX icon and select Outer Glow. Adjust the settings to your liking. And that's how you create this text effect.